In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add at the bottom and click on your contact that you wish to add. Then select OK in the pop-up if you wish to notify this contact that it's yours emergency one, or click on Cancel. Following that, click on Add Contact again and add any other ones you need. To delete one of your contacts, click on this icon of a paper and a pen at the top right corner and select this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To change order of your contacts, hold those two lines on the left and drag it to the perfect place. When you finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!